Hearing strange noise from your car while driving? Don't ignore it. Unusual car noises can be a warning sign of mechanical trouble. It could be something simple, like a loose part, or something serious that may get worse if you keep driving. Our certified mobile mechanic comes to your home or office and finds the exact source of the noise. We provide professional inspection, diagnosis, and repair without towing your car to a shop. Book your mobile car noise diagnosis today at www.instantcarfix.com.